What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Android operating system alongside your Windows 11. After watching this video, you can use Android and Windows together with one single computer. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now you can see my computer screen. Right now I am using Windows 11, the latest version 22H2. Here you can see my Windows 11 version. Now let me show you what you need to do to install the Android alongside Windows 11. First of all, you have to create a partition for your Android operating system. So right click on your start menu, then click on disk management, and it will show up all of your disk drive connected with your computer. You have to wisely select your Windows drive or C drive. Here you can see my C drive. This is an SSD drive. Now I have to shrink a partition for Android operating system to be installed. So select your C drive, then right click here, then click on shrink volume. Now here you need to shrink a partition for your Android operating system. I am going to give it 20 GB. So I am going to calculate it using the calculator. So I am going to type here 20 and multiply it with 1024. So my disk partition size will be 20480. So here I am going to type 20480. Then click on shrink, and it will create a 20 GB partition from your C drive. Now right click on that partition, click on new simple volume, then click on next, then next, next, and name it Android. Then click on next and finish. And it will create a 20 GB partition named Android. Now we have to download the Android operating system ISO file and a small piece of software named Rufus to burn the Android ISO file into our USB pen drive. So open up your browser and first of all search for Prime OS. Then go to this website primeos.in. Then from here click on download. Then click on select option and select x86. Then from the version, select PrimeOS 2.1.3 Android 11 x86. Then click on type and select .iso. Then click on download. And it should start downloading this PrimeOS ISO file. I had already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. Now take another tab and search for Rufus. Then go to this first website, rufus.ie. Then scroll down and click on this download link, and it will download the Rufus exe on your Windows computer. I had already downloaded both of them. Here you can see I have the PrimeOS ISO file and the Rufus exe software. Now make sure you have connected your USB pen drive. This is my USB pen drive of 28 GB. Now click on Rufus. Make sure you have select your USB pen drive. Then click on select. Then select your PrimeOS ISO file. Keep everything as it is. Then click on start. Then make sure to select in write in ISO image mode. Then click on OK. Then yes. Now it should burn or flash this PrimeOS ISO file in your USB pen drive. Okay guys, now the flashing has been completed. Now you can close the Rufus software and close the Windows Explorer. Now what you need to do, you have to restart your computer. So click on start, then this power icon, then restart your computer. And in the meantime, you have to boot from your USB drive. So press the boot menu key of your computer to get the boot menu of your computer. And now here, select your USB pen drive, then press enter. And you will see the PrimeOS menu. From here, select the PrimeOS installation and press enter. And now here you have to carefully select the partition whatever you created for your Android operating system installation. You can easily identify it by the name Android. Select it and press enter, then enter. And it should start installation of Android operating system alongside your Windows 11 operating system. When the installation has been done, restart your computer and you will see this PrimeOS menu and press enter, And now you have to set up your Android operating system or PrimeOS operating system. And guys, now here you can see we have successfully running PrimeOS Android operating system alongside Windows 11. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching a tech tutorial and I'm signing out.